I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to find stash with Meteor Client. First, you'll need to install the Meteor Client for your Minecraft version. Once installed, open your game and navigate to the client settings. We'll adjust a few key options to prepare for our search. Make sure your game is running smoothly for the best results. This setup is crucial for effective stash detection. Next, let's activate the X-ray module, a powerful tool within Meteor Client. Open the client's GUI and locate X-ray. Turn it on and then fine-tune its settings. You'll want to highlight specific blocks like chests, shulker boxes, and even spawners. Setting a render distance of at least 128 blocks will help you spot hidden stashes from afar. With X-ray active, begin exploring the world. Flying is often the most efficient way to cover ground quickly. Keep an eye out for the highlighted blocks that signify a stash. These will appear through terrain, making them easy to spot. Focus your search on less traveled areas, as these are more likely to contain untouched stashes. Remember, patience is key. Once you've identified a potential stash location, approach it carefully. Confirm the presence of chests or shulker boxes. You may need to dig through a few blocks to reach them. After gaining access, collect all the valuable items you find. Always be aware of your surroundings, as other players might be looking for stashes too. Enjoy your newfound treasures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.